Hi.
Okay, so let's start with the first supercomputer, Deep Blue, correct? That was the first one that beat a chess champion?
Well, Deep Blue wasn't actually the first supercomputer, but it was the first one that was powerful enough to defeat the world chess champion.
And how were you involved in that process?
I was one of the designers and programmers of the Deep Blue system, so we spent a number of years at the IBM research labs designing and developing and configuring Deep Blue to play chess.
Okay, and now 10 years after Deep Blue, I understand there's a new computer called Blue Gene. Can you tell us a little bit about that one?
After the match with Deep Blue, IBM decided to start a new project called Blue Gene, G-E-N-E, to design the next generation of supercomputers that would be more energy efficient and specifically to apply to life sciences, genetics, and protein type applications that require an enormous amount of computing power. So now, 10 years later, Blue Gene systems are the fastest supercomputers in the world, and also the most energy efficient.
Now, what about for the average person? What can a supercomputer mean for them?
Supercomputers touch our everyday lives and we may not even realize it. For example, every time you check the weather, you're actually seeing the output of a supercomputer. Supercomputers take the Earth's current weather and use it to model the next day or two or three and predict what's going to happen. In the future, people are using supercomputers to predict climate. With global warming, people are concerned about what's going to be happening, and so scientists are using supercomputers to model the Earth's climate 5, 10, 20 years into the future and try and figure out strategies for reducing the effects of global warming.
Okay, now what do you think is next for supercomputers? What are going to be the capabilities of the next supercomputer that's going to come out?
Supercomputers continue to evolve in terms of their speed, the number of processors they have, and the amount of memory. So they will be able to solve more and more complex problems simply by the fact that they have more processing capability. Another factor to consider is that supercomputers use a tremendous amount of power, and keeping them cool is often one of the limiting factors. So an energy-efficient design like what Blue Gene uses is key to the increasing speed of supercomputers.
Okay, and where can our viewers go if they're interested in learning more about supercomputers and especially this Blue Gene model?
If you want to find out more about Blue Gene, just go to the IBM website and search for Blue Gene. It'll tell you a lot about this, the fastest supercomputer in the world.
Okay, great. Thanks so much for being with us.
Thank you.